Today we're going to learn a persuasion technique that salespeople use all the time. It's called the scarcity effect. If something is scarce, it means that it's hard to find or limited in quantity. And this results in us placing more value on it. That's why gold is worth more than coal. The scarcity effect works by giving people the feeling that something is about to run out. And if they don't act now, they're going to miss out. In today's tutorial, we'll start by looking at how companies use this powerful persuasion trick to sell more products. And then we'll see how we can apply this to our persuasive writing pieces. Let's get started. Compare these two shops. Which has better quality shoes? The top one, right? And which has more expensive shoes? The top one again. We've not examined the shoes, we know nothing about them. Yet the shoes in the top shop seem to be more desirable. Why? Because there's fewer pairs on display. The shop probably has lots of other pairs in a storeroom somewhere, but they deliberately don't put them out on the shelves. This is a classic example of a company using the scarcity effect. They know that we're prepared to pay more for something that appears to be scarce. Here are some other great examples of the scarcity effect being used. 24-hour flash sale. Limited time deal. Only one pair left in stock. Only one room left. Only 4 spots left on my webinar. Hurry! This offer ends in 19 hours, 23 minutes and 15 seconds. Got 'em! The limited edition Air Jordans. All these are clever ways that cause the customer to feel that if they don't act now, they're going to miss out. This persuades them to part with their money and buy the product or service being sold. You can use the same trick when you are persuasive writing. Our rivers are being devastated by pollution. If we don't take immediate action, the wildlife that depends on them will be lost forever. Our school talent show has only a few slots left for performers. Sign up now if you want to show off your skills. Explore the rainforest with our expert guide. Spaces are limited to 25 students per tour. Secure your spot now. Only a limited number of students can join our amazing technology club. Don't miss your chance to be one of them.
1, 0.
We need more volunteers for this weekend's beach cleanup, and there are only a few spots left. Join us and make a difference. Don't miss the opportunity to watch the travelling puppet show in the school theatre. Seating is limited to 50 attendees. Buy your tickets today. Enter our short story competition. Only the first 50 submissions will be considered, so submit your story today. So, begin using the scarcity effect in your persuasive writing. Here are some phrases to consider using from now on. Act now before it's too late. Time is running out. There's only a few left. Get ahead of the crowd and don't miss your chance to. Act now to avoid disappointment. Be part of the select few who stand out from the crowd by being the first to. Once it's gone, it's gone. For other great persuasive writing tips, don't miss this tutorial. And if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. There are many more tutorial videos available that will help take your writing skills to the next level.